I'm off to Cambridge right now. I am doing my first solo trip, like entirely solo. I went to Paris alone, but I came back with friends, so I feel like this is my first official solo trip. I'm excited to explore Cambridge because actually I went to Oxford earlier this semester, like in February, and I said that I wanted to go to Cambridge and kind of like compare the two and see which one I like better and like, you know, all that kind of stuff.
We are now approaching Tottenham Hale.
I was really surprised by the Cambridge Botanical Garden. I didn't initially have plans to go here, but just on a whim, I just decided to get a ticket, and it was such a lovely day, so I was like, might as well just see what it looks like inside. And I'm so glad that I did that because this place is stunning. I was just like so in awe walking around. I don't know what it is about the nature in England, but I feel like it's just way more vibrant and light and like spring-like compared to the nature that I see in my hometown. What this looks like without filters is what I try to make nature typically look like with filters. So it was just kind of like surreal. I loved this place. This place would be so amazing for a picnic as well. After the botanical garden, I headed towards the city center, and here you could like see more of the university and like all the different colleges and like little landmarks like the mathematical bridge, or is it the maths bridge? I have no idea. But I didn't go into any of the colleges. I think you do have to like get tickets for some of them, and then some of them are just like entirely closed off. But since I had such like a short time between the botanical garden and my last activity, I didn't get a chance to actually walk inside or see anything, but just from the main road you can see a lot of the beautiful architecture, and it's such a lovely place, and I definitely want to come back and explore a little bit more. Okay, back in London now. One of the things that I wanted to do before I left was to get a scent from here. I wanted something that was more unique to England and would just like remind me of my time here and would just be like a little souvenir, I guess. And I've also been on the lookout for like a signature scent. So we went to Jo Malone and we talked to one of the staff there. She was so lovely and she really gave us like a great experience. I ended up getting the Wisteria and Lavender perfume. This perfume is actually only sold in like 3 stores in London, so I feel like it makes this scent really special, and I love how it sits on my skin. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you who watches, especially till the end of the video. I'd love for you to stick around on my channel by subscribing and supporting this video in any way that you would like to, such as like liking it, sharing it, commenting, anything. And yeah, with that being said, I will see you very soon. Bye!